back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be looking at the women's exclusive Coast Dunk Lows. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe now. Also, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Also, hit me in the description box down below with some comments or questions. Also, hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as our membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as a great merch store. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the women's exclusive Coast Dunks in the low version. So I've been extremely backed up with dunks, but I'm excited to be doing this because this was actually one of my favorite colorways that released this year. We've just been super backed up and finally getting back on track with, getting some shoes out. So we're going to go through the overview of the Coast Dunks. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this really fun, cool spring summer colorway. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market, which is actually pretty good, which leads me to believe I was right in liking this colorway probably the most out of all of the ones that dropped, since Nike is just dropping every color of the rainbow lately. Anyways, let's just jump into the overview of this. All right. So this is just a nice kind of baby blue color scheme, and we're going to start with the toe box. We've just got that simple, nice, crisp white on the toe box there. On the front, the overlay is that nice Coast blue. When we work our way up, we've got Coast blue laces with a nice white nylon tongue. Then we've got some nice hints of this yellow color scheme going on with the Nike and the swoosh, as well as some nice yellow lace tips. I do love this like subtle but pop of color for the accent on these. It just kind of gives the shoe a little more of something, though it looks like Nike will be releasing this same exact color, but they're going to actually take away those yellow accents, which I think do add to the shoe. As we work our way to the medial and lateral side of the shoe, we've got, again, that Coast blue overlay for the detailed parts of the swoosh. Working around to the heel, we've got, again, pops of accents of that yellow with the Nike embroidered on the back of that heel counter. Working our way to the inside of the shoe, again, we've got pops of that yellow accent, and it looks like we've got just a nice color of that Coast blue on the inside of the heel collar there. Working our way down to the midsole, it's just nice and simple and white, and our outsoles finish out in that Coast blue colorway. Let's take a nice up and close look at those details. right, so now let's jump into sizing. This was a woman's exclusive shoe, and I am a woman's 9. I would definitely say stick true to size. Again, I do have a narrow, high arch feet. That may change again if you do have wide, flat feet. But if you have similar feet to me, I would recommend sticking true to size on this one. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling these. It was just such a wonderful, warm day here in New York. And this is just such a great color that I can't wait to bring out as the springtime comes and summer. It feels like it's just around the corner. So for the first look, I decided to wear a tie-dyed shirt that really matches this Coast Blue perfectly. I wore just a simple white tank underneath that, and then I paired that with some light denim H&M pants that have some nice rips and holes. It's very distressed, and I think that that combination just really worked well with those blue hues.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space, breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace of my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. Cause no matter where I go, it's so bright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line.
For the second look, I decided to wear a Zara silk floral button-down top, and that Zara silk button-down top has just nice pink floral patterns to it with just beautiful silky kind of vibrant textures that I think really worked well with the blue hues in this. I wore just some simple cropped light denim to match. I think light denim really goes just so well with this blue color scheme.
So bright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line. That's why I wake up and it's a really nice day, living in the right space, breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You got me like, ooh, I can shake.
Then for the last and final look, I wore an ALC checkered skirt, again with just a simple white tank top, and I layered that with my ENES jacket from Culture Kings, and I feel like that denim jacket just really, again, since it was that light denim, went very well with the Coast colorway.
Breathing in your grace like, ooh, I won't change. You got me like, ooh, I can't shake it. Living in the space like, ooh, I won't trade it. Shining in the dark without my bright side. Wanna see your image like an icon. Couldn't even see it with the lights on. Had to try and get you with a Nikon. Yeah, changing atmosphere.
So you guys let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite look out of the 3? Now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. As you guys know, Dunks go for such an incredible price point of $100, and these are actually killing it in the resale game. They're going between $350 to $450, obviously depending on your size. Just because this was a woman's exclusive release, I would say that those larger sizes are definitely going on a higher price point just based upon the availability of how few large sizes they had in this specific colorway. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another unboxing and review. If you were new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe now. Also, hit that like button if you haven't already. Leave me any comments or questions down below if you have any on this. Also, hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as our merch store. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.